She slept in my bedroom and washed herself with my soap, walked in my shoes, in my flat. Through my door she laid in my couch and drank my red Bordeaux. She slept in my bed, washed her blonde hair with my shampoo, rested in my sofa, cooked in my pots, and fucked my man. You're playing games with your luck here, mister, but I'll be smart this time. I'll shut my mouth for a while and wait, and then I'll take your money and use your ignorance to be able to stay in this big city. 'Cause I don't wanna go home in my small town. There are big things waiting for me right here, right now. And when the right time comes, I'll let you know. I know all about your sickness, you miserable fuck. And you'll plead and remorse and wish that I take you back. And you'll plead and remorse and wish that I take you back. But my life had just begun. My life had just begun. And you'll see my elegant figure wearing a white dress, with Grammys in my hands and the world lying beneath my feet, smiling in heart, holding hands with my kids, driving with a new man to a lovely house by the sea, living your dreams, living your dreams. And you will plead and remorse and wish that I take you back. And you'll plead and remorse and wish that I take you back. But I won't, 'cause she slept in my bedroom and drank all my red Bordeaux.
Pričevanja ostarelega sukača plošč.
Ja, kako je to lepo, ko vidim punkse na partijih.
Afterparty. Termin za neukrotljiva ušesa in neustavljiva telesa. Yeah!